session was always a wonderful session when it was like when I was approached to take this session. Like so because the first MBBS students are usually the base of our MBBS, this college entire this hierarchy, right? I'm not saying in a different way, but what I mean to say is the first MBBS students are the only people who haven't given any university exams before. So it is usually the hardest for them among all the years to actually understand the depth of this MBBS syllabus and everything. So it is always special to guide the first MBBS students because they have just come up from a MCQ based culture and they are going into the written exam. So it is pretty much that. And I like most of you would be from India, and in India we follow the MCI guidelines, and so most of you would be having your written exams, right, rather than MCQs. So that's why I was very excited for this session. And as soon as Pyojaman told me that there is like we are planning such session, so there was an immediate yes from my side because I'm always excited to help the juniors even in my college. So why not right now, right?